Hello there. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of Shopify settings. So if I go to settings, then first of all, we have the store details, the basic information of this store that you can edit or change. Then we have the store address. Then we have contact information for this particular store. Then we have this store currency that we can change to US dollar. And then we have the standard format time zone. Let's say I want to change it to Eastern time zone. It's a Pacific time zone. Then hit save. Then the second one is plan, Shopify plan. So we are running the free trial and 14 days free trial. So whenever you will have the trial end, then you need to pick a plan. So if you click on choose plan, you will have option for three plans. Shopify Basic, that is usually 29 bucks per month, but it's currently showing 26. Maybe they are running an offer. And for Shopify, that is $71. And for advanced option, they have $266. And based on that plan, you have different options. Okay, so make sure you check all the options you are getting with this with your plan. Okay, so most of the cases Shopify Basic are totally fine for most of the uh, new store owners. Then whenever you are increasing or you are actually making your business big, you can move with those plans. Then we have billing options. So inside the billing, you will actually see all the invoices that Shopify billed you. Okay, so recently we have subscription for trial. We haven't billed anything yet. Then we have user and permissions. So whenever you are a store owner, you are running a store, then if you want to add new stuff in your store, let's say you have customer support executive, let's say you have marketing executive that you want to add in your store, you don't need to share your login details with them. You can just add new stuff from here. Then we have payment options. So inside the payment option, we can actually integrate the payment provider like Stripe, your Visa credit card payment gateway, or we can integrate the PayPal, or if you have any other payment options available that you want to add in your store, you can add from here. So for payment provider, you can choose the provider. They have lots of provider list. Also, you can add a COD payment, cash on delivery, or bank deposit. Then you have the checkout. It's basically checkout settings. So the checkout page, what do you want to do or not. So the customer account, don't use customer account if you won't allow the customer to sign up for an account. So we are going to select account are optional. So if they want, they can sign up, or we can select account are required. So in that case, customer must need to create an account before checkout. Then customer contact method, we have phone and email. So in that case, customer must need to input their phone number and email address in the checkout page. Then we have how customer can choose get shipping update. So in that case, show a link in the download shop app. So you can also select the SMS and email, so they will get the update in the email. Customer information. So there are some basic things. Then we have the shipping and delivery. So inside the shipping and delivery, you can see there is a general shipping rate that you can manage or create a new profile. So I'm going to manage it and add or remove a shipping system. So first of all, here is the shipping from, and you can create different rate for different countries or whatever you, however you want. So let's say I want to add a rate. Sorry, let's say edit the zone, so not rest of the country. So I just want to set a rate for United States. United States. So let's say standard rate is about, I'm just sending it. Okay, so then save. So in that case, this rate will be applicable for USA. And now you can see not covered by your shipping zone, 235 countries and region. Okay, so we haven't set up all those country shipping yet, and if you need to do that, you can obviously do that by creating a new shipping zone and select rest of the countries. Then you have taxes and duties. That's basically based on your where you're living, so that tax system you need to configure here. Then we have locations. So this location is basically your warehouse. So if you have multiple warehouse, you can create different locations from here. Then we have gift cards. So gift card settings. So in that case, you can set gift card will never end it, or you can say gift card will be closed in 1 year. Then we have market. So based on your market, you will see all these things here. Then we have sales channel. For now, we have only sales channel is online store, that is our Shopify store. But we can add Facebook, we can add Google Shopping, we can add point of sale. Then we have notifications. So there are a bunch of notification systems here that you can actually check yourself, as because there is an order notification system for order confirmation, order edited. Those are the default things that I don't think you might need to change those, but it's nice to have that, you know, where those notifications are coming or how you can edit it. Then we have Metafield. I will talk more about this Metafield later on, as because I need to create a whole video for Metafield. Then we have files. Inside file, you can actually upload new files that you want to use in your store. Also, the file we have already uploaded for products that you can see here. Then we have languages. For now, we just have English. So if you want to add more languages in your store, you can go ahead and add more languages. Then we have policies. So inside the policies, you have the policies pages for refund policies, privacy policies, terms of services, and shipping policy. So if you have all those content, you can input here, or if you don't have, you can create from template, and create from template. And for the shipping policy, there is no template available, so you must need to input your shipping address, shipping delivery time, or even policies, or whatever you have in the shipping information. Then you will hit the save button. So that's all about the Shopify settings. So in the next video, we are gonna start our theme development. So see you in the next one.